Well, you know, this is again according to script.
Yeah,
Ian.
that's
First
true.
set to UST, 2 sets to FEU.
Yes.
And I'm saying that for those who don't know, in the first meeting, in the first round back in December 7th, that's exactly what happened. UST behind, 2 sets to 1. They win in 5. Now FEU is just a set away from exacting revenge.
That's true. And sabi nga ng maraming coaches, walang napapanalong set ng 23 or 24. And that is what happened to UST. Well, they were really leading by 4 or 5 points going to that final stretch. And they just, you know, after that controversial, it wasn't really such a controversy because clearly in the replay, the call was the right call to make by the linesman. And the point was given to them. But the complaining of Coach Ness, you know, the energy.
The histrionics and talagang it sucked the life out of UST.
That's right, and it fired up the FEU ladies. So that is, you know, sometimes part of coaching. You know, get something going your way para mapagana mo yung mga players mo, and that is what Coach Ness did in that instance. And
he got a warning for it.
Yeah, he did. But
it's in basketball, it's like a technical foul.
That's right.
That fired up his own team.
That's right.
Parang ganun.
Oh, pag ganun ang nangyayari. And when Coach, after that call for Coach Ness, kita mo, in a matter of 30 seconds, they ended the set.
Yeah. You know, sometimes if you're a player, you see your coach fighting for you like that, di ba? Parang ayaw mo rin mapahiya.
That's right.
He put so much effort. He might as well have been playing since the start of this game, Ian, because he's been up and bouncing and shouting all throughout.
That's right.
And he's still talking to the technical table right now.
He's not gonna stop. 15-12, FEU with the lead in the attack points. 3 blocks, now they take the advantage. 8-1 yan kanina nung first set. Service aces 3 and 2, unforced errors 9 and 4. FEU stealing that one.
Kung pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa yung topic ng angas, yun ang pinakamaangas sa kanila dyan. Si Coach Ness. Of course, we use that word in a very positive way when it comes to sports. And now, set number 4, all of a sudden, UST is in the back foot here. Remember, they were ahead also 4-0 at the start of the previous set. And 23-18.
Wow, nice blocking from Rojas.
The switch by Rhea, pero net block.
Medyo mababa yung set ni Rhea, or the approach of Hirotsuhi was
FEU takes the first point. Team captain
was late.
Serving.
Hope you guys are still tuned in. Boom Gonzalez, Doc Ian Laurel, Erica Liboro, Patch Cansana. It's Direk Alneri at the helm of this live and exclusive and exciting coverage of the 74th season women's volleyball tournament, second round meeting between UST and FEU. Historically collegiate rivals, the 2 winningest teams in women's volleyball. FEU, of course, with a number that is tough to catch at 29. UST at 14, and a great combination play. Disguised well by Hirotsuji.
That's right. Abadejo. They've had a lot of success with that combination.
2 serving 1.
Service. Di Makulangan.
Di Makulangan coming back from her injury the last time out against Ateneo. Hintayan si Rojas at si Bagal. So puntos na naman para sa UST. If you're FEU, you have to close it out here.
That's right, that's right.
Because, you know, 5th setters against UST with, you know, some veterans there.
Yes.
And the crowd behind them, that's tough.
And you got to learn from experience. Nung fight last time, 5 sets kayo. Nakakuha nila yung 5th. So, you want to end it now. And Coach Ness, I believe, I'm sure, 100% he knows that.
And that has been the problem of FEU in 5 setters against LaSalle. They couldn't close out LaSalle. And that's all because they are still a young, developing, learning team. Let's check in with Erica Liboro.
Boom, Coach Ness. constantly reminded the girls to run after that ball. Hindi lalapit ang bola sa inyo. Kailangan sipagan nyo pa ang paghabol. Now, the Lady Tamaraws had quite the struggle at the beginning of the set earlier since the girls weren't communicating inside and instructed them na kapag alanganin ng receive, establish that position to grab that chance ball. Although Coach Ness was a bit stressed earlier regarding that check ball, he was quite calm with the girls. Kahit pa paano nakabawi naman since they won the previous set. Bumanian.
Yeah, nakabawi pati dun sa block on Maru Barreto.
Yes, that's right. Maru has been stuffed in most of her attempts.
Rose Vargas from FEU.
He's been really, you know,
Basa,
scouted.
binabasa,
Nabasa. Basang-basa siya nitong depensa, lalo ng blockers. The middle blockers, Rojas.
Especially
Eudalio.
if she always angles her body towards the cross court, no? Dito, iba na naman.
Yeah.
Iba naman, kaya medyo mahirap pantayan.
That's right, that's right.
Pero dito sa side na to, nakikita mo sa katawan minsan. It's all part of, you know, the intricacies of volleyball, of studying opponents and their tendencies. This is tough when she's at that
Yeah, that's right.
because we're not used to seeing her that way.
7-3.
That's the one thing I was saying about Phil Kainglet for Ateneo. She's developed attacking in different, you know, so medyo nahihirapan
rin depensa.
Hindi katulad dati nung rookie year niya or second year niya na puro open, cross court.
Iisa lang.
Ngayon, umatake from the middle. She goes to back row.
Also from the other end.
Yep. That, again, comes with maturity and experience. And Maru. Oh! I think the play was called for...
5-all.
All right, obviously there was some miscommunication between
the setter.
Rhea and Ortiz.
Ito, sinasabihan niya, klaruhin mo yung...
Ito siguraduhin mo to.
Good reaction there by Banyel. Chance again for Ingrid Reyes. Through the block. Deceivingly strong. The CSA product.
Amazing how she does that.
Walang tumatayo dito sa arena in San Juan. Yung mga coach lang sa galit.
Service error there.
Patch Cansano will report from the UST side now.
With full of conviction, Coach Oji told his coaching staff, "I am so disappointed." But during the huddle, he reminded everyone that the game doesn't stop once you hit the ball, because in volleyball, the most important thing is always the next action. Next is don't be scared to commit errors. Kaya kayo hindi umaatake kasi natatakot kayo magkamali. You know, Boom, it's so nice to listen to Coach Oji's advice because it inspires the girls. Yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin na difference between coaching boys from girls, kasi sa babae, you need to touch their sensitive part at kailangan mas careful ka sa kanila. Boom, yan?
Great insight, Patch. Thank you very much. Well, again, dynamics of coaching. Not only different players, but different genders, I guess, also. As Reyes again delivers.
That's right. That's going to hit an outside set because Eudalio was a bit fooled by the running spike of Ortiz, so humabol na lang. And Reyes, quick to identify that, hit it cross court.
And guess what? We're tied again at 7-all. There's been a familiar theme.
Uy!
Oh, tinginan.
Rhea Di Macalangan, good at those dump plays.
Back in a moment, 8-7 for UST.